Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be showing you how to install a swing box from Vevor in a truck. For this, I'm using my 2006 Dodge Ram as an example. Vevor has also supplied me with a discount code. That is included in the video description too. A link to this swing box will be included in the video description below. This swing box is a great way to keep any added accessories or tools organized in one spot, dry and out of the cab. My truck is a regular cab, so it doesn't have loads of room inside to begin with. It's very easy to install this swing box and minimal tools are required. First is laying out all the parts. You'll have the box, two brackets that bolt together, and fasteners. Start by putting the main bracket together. It fits over the two threaded studs. Then using the supplied nuts, tighten it down using a ratchet with a 10mm socket. For placement of the bracket, first slip it into place on the swing box. Make sure the plastic pivots are in place. Then latch the bracket in place towards the front of the box. I placed a 2x6 under the box to help with some clearance underneath. Considering I have a tonneau cover, the box must be able to clear the hold down lever. Tape is used to mark out the reference point. With the bracket removed from the box, use a clamp to hold the bracket into place. The latch side of the bracket must be mounted on the raised portion at the side of the box. Using an impact driver with a 10mm socket, install a couple of the bolts. These are self-tapping bolts, so no drill bits are required. Thread the bolts in like you normally would. It'll cut the hole and then eventually thread into the steel. A quick test is done to ensure everything is in the correct position with no interference. Once satisfied, finish up installing the rest of the bolts. There will be 4 by the tailgate side and 2 at the latch side. After that, I used a ratchet and socket to verify that the bolts are tight. A vacuum is used to clean up any shavings. The latch comes loose from factory and has slotted holes for alignment. I tighten the nuts up so the latch still has a slight bit of movement. The box is then installed, and then the latch is adjusted and tightened using a 10mm wrench. The supplied rubber bumper is installed. I tried installing 2, however I found one was best. I can finally remove my stuff from the cab, and it's now in a safe spot in the box. There's plenty of storage in the box along with a removable tray. Here you can see how everything fits in the box. This doesn't affect the main space in the box, so I'm able to still put drywall and plywood in here. When the box is latched in, simply pull the yellow handle and the box will swing out for easy access. Even with the tonneau cover on, it still can be easily swung out and opened. The lid can be locked, and the box can also be locked in place to prevent theft. A combination lock does come supplied with this box. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.